Hi guys! Welcome to the Panda Vlogs, and for today's video, I'm gonna do a color of the year makeup tutorial. And before I start, I wanna greet you all a Happy New Year. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing that I would put is this NYX Angel Veil Primer. So I would put this sa face ko except sa nose. Kasi medyo nag-dry yung nose area ko sa Japan. For my nose, I'm gonna be using this GLOSSIER na priming moisturizer. Very maliit lang na amount. Kasi baka mag-oily naman yung face ko. For foundation, I'm gonna use this Marc Jacobs Remarkable Foundation in the shade 36, which is beige golden. To set everything, I'm gonna use this Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Powder in the shade 220. So for my eyes, I'm gonna use my new Kat Von D Saint and Sinner palette. So I got this from Sephora PH. Medyo hindi ko lang gusto yung name and mga shades name nila. Pero as far as it looks, mukhang promising siya. And for today's look, since ultra purple nga, I'm gonna be using this one. This is the Exorcism Matcha. And then we'll be focusing on this shade for the entire eyeshadow. For the entire eye look. So medyo hindi siya ganun ka-pigmented as what I expect it to be. Pero we'll try to work it out. And then, sa middle, I'm gonna put Absolution. Itong white na to, na medyo shimmery. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita niyo yung pag-shimmer niya. Pero shimmery siya na white. Okay. Maganda siya with finger. So, I'm just tapping it sa center ng lid. To blend everything again using the same brush that we used earlier. For the inner corners, I would also put the Absolution. Yung white na ginamit natin sa center lid. For the brow bone, I'm gonna be using this one. This is called Amen. Parang ano siya, bony yung color. So for the blush, gagamitin ko is this Benefit ROCKATEUR. And then yung gagamitin ko is this one, the ROCKATEUR na blush sa loob. For my contour, I'm gonna be using the Kat Von D Shade in Light. And I'm gonna be using this one. It's my first time, I think, to use this. This is Subconscious. Tatry ko siya kasi medyo cool tone siya. Ngayon ko lang na-realize. And kasi diba medyo umitim ako. So parang okay to. Subconscious. For my bronzer, I'm gonna be using this HOOLA bronzer from Benefit. So for my highlight, I'm gonna be using this sleek Solstice highlighting palette, and then gagamitin ko is this one. Yung medyo yellowish. So, nakabila ko ng bagong eyelash curler sa shoe. And, ayan. Sa Japan ko siya nabili. So, it's my first time to use this tonight. Nagawa pala ako ng Japan haul. So, watch out for it. Pero baka after na ng mga vlogs ko sa Japan. I'm gonna use the Lash Sensational from Maybelline. For my lips, I would be using the Cloud Cosmetics in the shade Sunday Chill. So, sobrang gusto ko to. And sobrang perfect ng shade na to for me. And then the last step is this Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to click the like button and comment down below kung ano yung New Year's resolution nyo this year. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and visit my blog at www.biancamagsino.com. May you have a blessed year ahead. God bless!